Hello everyone, I want to talk about this Vevor mechanics tool set. This was given to me to test and review, and I was super excited that they sent it. First off, I wanted to talk about several of its features. A nice, durable, rugged case, as you can see here. It has some weight to it because you have 450 pieces of tools in there, but it's not too bad. Nice and convenient to carry this all around. I'm going to open up the top part here. And you can see here you have your combination wrenches. Nice thing about this tool set, it has metric and SAE. So you have your combination wrenches here. Whole bunch of Allen wrench sets. And you have your extended size Allen wrench sets here as well. And some smaller combination wrenches. Down below, these take a little effort to pull out because it's new, but you can unsnap these and then pull out these trays, and then you can see everything here, how nice it is. Everything's nice and organized. You have your deeper sockets, and then you have your other sockets there. These are chrome plated, laser etched, and has good organization. You have your extension bars, you have your T-style bits. This has everything from T8 all the way up to T30. And then you have your other Allen head style bits as well. You have a screwdriver or bit holder here. You have these nice ratchets. You have 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch ratchet sizes. You even have a smaller size here, but everything ratchets nice and smooth. Next tray, you have a whole bunch more sockets, metric and SAE. You got your deep sockets there, and then everything nice and organized, all different sizes for you to use. And again, this is 1/2 inch drive. You have 3/8 inch and 1/4 inch socket drives. See that there? These look to be all 1/4 inch. Everything slides out nice and easy. You have some spark plug sockets up here. Then your star head type sockets as well. You have your adapters for 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. Again, these are the press-on type socket holders. Everything is nice and smooth. Press a button to release them, and you're good to go. And you have a whole bunch of drill bits here. Got your flathead, Phillips, and you have all these other ones. You have your star heads. You have your C-type heads, all the way up to C32. Square heads. So you have pretty much everything that you would need. And everything is nice and organized, all in one kit. It just closes like that. So here's a really nice mechanics toolbox for you. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.